Galaxy Z Fold 4 at Samsung.com today.
In the morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is my office flex. I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, a sausage burrito loaded with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion, or crispy hash browns. And then I get another one for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flex. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, I ain't better than yours.
Spilled your milkshake? Quick, the quicker picker upper. That picks up spills quicker. And each sheet is 2 times more absorbent, so you can use less than the leading ordinary brand. So you can get back to your milkshake.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
Bounty, the quicker upper.
To avoid power outages, we have to do our part now to save energy. Free cool your home to 70 degrees, and after 4 p.m., set your AC at 78 degrees or higher, and avoid using major appliances. Sign up for alerts at flexalert.org.
Baseball, basketball, soccer, tennis. No matter what your game is, defense matters. Same thing goes for COVID-19. Protect yourself with a booster shot, now recommended for people 5 years and older. Schedule an appointment as soon as you are eligible, following completion of your primary series. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
Hey y'all, this is your girl Cheryl Underwood, and I want to tell you something. My digestive system used to make me feel sluggish, but those days are over. Now I feel great. That's because I increased my fiber intake with the Metamucil 2-week challenge, and I'm still hooked. I just took Metamucil every day for 14 days, and it's really that easy. Metamucil traps and removes the waste that weighs you down, so you feel lighter and more energetic. Now I never want to go back to that heavy feeling. Are you ready for the Metamucil 2-week challenge? For a coupon and daily support, sign up at Metamucil.com today.
In order for small businesses to thrive, they need to be smart, efficient, agile, staying ahead of the market at every turn, and finding ways to do more with less. It's been more important than it is right now. So for a limited time, Comcast Business is introducing Small Business Savings, a deal for companies across the country. When you call in now, you can get powerful internet for just $39 a month for 12 months. $39 a month, with no annual contract and a money-back guarantee. All on the largest, fastest, reliable network for small businesses, with a company that powers more businesses than anyone else. So if you're a small business owner, don't wait. Call and get started today. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Offer ends 9/21/22. Restrictions apply. New Comcast Business 50 megabits per second internet customers only. Requires EcoBill and AutoPay. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra and subject to change. Call or go online for details. After promo, regular rates apply.
Whether you're buying a new car or used one, big investment, which is why you should choose Pennzoil Platinum. It helps extend the life of your engine and protect it up to 15 years or 500,000 miles, whichever comes first, guaranteed. That's because Pennzoil's base oil is made from natural gas and 99.5